Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Ainski, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to tune your Balisong. Now, this Balisong is my Glider Arctic 2. As you can hear, it has got some tap. Now, I've taken this apart a few times and switched the handles around, and one thing I forgot to do was Locktite them and then tune them again. So what you're going to need to use is a screwdriver with a T10 bit. Luckily I have that here, so I've got to take the screwdriver out. I have a screwdriver with a T10 bit, so that you can also, screw in that. Alright, and what else? You might need this depending on how the screw will spin in that, but in my case I don't think we need it, but I'm going to take it out anyway. This is actually very handy. It's from Glider. It is a bit holder. It comes with its own T10 bit, as you can see there, and the little holder, you just stick this in and boom. Right, and now also I got my little Locktite, and let me just check which side. Yep, that side, that will do. Right. So obviously you have something to wipe, just so you don't get any mess anywhere. Have a paper towel or at least a cloth so you can not make a mess. And yeah, what you're gonna do is, I like to do this with my Balisongs closed. I do the bite handle first, and I do the safe handle. So let's do them. So let's do the bite handle. As you can see, turning counterclockwise. Now what I'm going to do is, I do this my own way, people do it another way. And I just typically dip in and then screw. Now, if it doesn't go in like it's doing right now, what you're going to need to do is get the T10 bit under, like that, and then screw. Now I do it tight as I can. Check the swing. Yep. And let me just do it. There we go. And now let's do the safe handle. Again, same as before, just unscrew. Just get that Locktite on there. Now, since this is going to be the same as before, you get the T10 bit holder. There we go. And then you just screw in. And then just check the swing. See how it's binding there. Just give it a little release. And then tighten again. Yep. And there you go. And that, my friends, is how you Locktite and tune a Balisong. Now let me get into the tuning again, just in case if I didn't make it clear. This is a bushing Balisong, so they're pretty easy to tune. So what you're going to do is tighten it as much as you can without completely locking it up. So now, since this is swinging freely like that, check the bite handle as well. Yep. And then now, let's check it. No tap. No tap. And that is how you tune and Locktite your Balisong. This is the first time I've actually done a tutorial, so yeah, hopefully if this was a very good tutorial, let me know down below in the comments if I did pretty good. Sorry about that. Leave a like on the video if you liked it. Leave a dislike if you disliked it. I don't care. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's always free and you can always change your mind later. I don't upload as often because I've basically got stuff going on, but I'm not going to put that in the video. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace.